Hey guys, it's Matt here, and today, I'm giving you some butterfly knife tricks. If you haven't already, go see my butterfly knife comb unboxing. Yeah, let's get straight into this video. Okay, first trick, you're gonna hold your safe handle, this one, not the one with the hook on. Yeah, so grab this, and then just, just hold that and nothing else, and then just fling it like that, and then just keep it like this. Put your thumb there like this, and then fling it this way so it goes over here, and then you want to just fling it back over, and then, alright, I don't know what I was doing there. Okay, this is it. Alright, so you fling it that way, put your finger there, fling it back over, move your fingers like that, and grip it with your palm and your thumb, and then just flip it forward. And then you've opened it, and to close it, just do it backwards. So just go back, forward, back, something like that, and flip it forward. Move that again, and then just go. Right, so grab it like that, move your film, and then go like that. Then close it. Second trick is the double rollover. So open it like that, okay? And then you want to position your thumb here, and then flip it back over, okay? Move your fingers again, and put them there, like that. Flip it, just flip it around like that, like that, and like that. And to close that, you go that way, that way, and alright. And last trick I'm going to be showing you guys is the overkill. I didn't name it, it's just called that. So grab your safe handle, flip it over, and then see your index finger, move that to where your thumb is, and then flip it back over, and then grab your thumb, move that over there, and then you just gotta let go like that. And once it's like that, the movement of that should make it just flop into that space, grab it, and then like that. And the way to close that is you grab it by the safe handle, let go, flip it back like that, so it's like that. Flip it over like that, and then back over like that. So it's like this again. Move your thumb. So if you guys want to see more of these butterfly knife tricks videos, put them in the comments below. Also put some questions in the comments below. I'll do some Q&A after if you do. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you in the next video. It's been amazing. See ya. Bye!